Hello everyone, myself Vishal Pandey, and today I will be starting a new chapter from your civics book, Ideas and Ideals of the Indian Constitution. Students, it is very important chapter because in this chapter we will be discussing that what were the ideas and who were the ideals of the Indian Constitution. It will help you a lot to understand this chapter in a detailed way. As we have father of this nation, Mahatma Gandhi, he has well said that whenever you are making a law, keep the last person who is very poor in your mind and make a law according to his convenience. If he is getting some profit, then law is very much appreciable. So ultimately, you will be understanding the father of nation as well in this chapter. So let us discuss the topic in detailed way. So as you can see on your screen that India, as you know, was under British rule for almost 200 years. Under British rule, we were compelled to obey laws that favored our rulers and not us. Hence, in 1946, a group of some of the wisest thinkers of India was elected to form a constituent assembly. So children, as you all are aware that we were under British rule, as I was taking your previous lecture of history, that was the British administration and the establishment of their powers. But now in this topic, as you can correlate yourself that when Britishers left this country, the main challenge we faced were to introduce a new constitution so that people can associate them and the law and order can be maintained well. So because of that, the main purpose was to frame a constitution for independent India. Because India was independent, basically for that reason the country demands a new constitution through which the people can be governed. So ultimately they had to draft the constituency assembly and the constitution as well. Constituency assembly is the assembly where people come and sit together, discuss well, and try to make a resolution, try to pass a resolution, and through those resolution the new laws are made. So you have to be very much aware that there was also the strange hold of the caste and the countries of gender discrimination to be considered, because India is a diversity, India is having very much diversity. So we have to, or the people, those who were the ideals of the constitution, they have to look at to everyone, so that to nobody the discrimination can be made upon. So we will be discussing this in the next slide. As you can see on the screen that this is the constituency assembly where the people are coming and sitting there and they are discussing in a detailed way that what they can discuss and form a constitution. With great foresight and wisdom, the makers of the constitution created a remarkable document which was full of ideals and was yet practical. So these are peoples, like you can see Dr. Rajendra Prasad sitting in between, and because he was the speaker as well of the constituency assembly. The key features of the constitution are briefly explained below. A study of this will enable you to appreciate the conscious and cautious efforts taken by our constitution makers to shape India into truly democratic country. Children, the real challenge was to make India democratic in nature, to give people liberty, freedom of expression so that they can express themselves, expression of speech. Okay, freedom of speech, as you can say, the media can also have some freedoms, the poets or the writers can also have some rights or freedom to express their knowledge on literature. So basically this chapter deals about freedom and expressions as well. Now we will be discussing what are the key features of the constitution. The key feature is the preamble itself. Now we will have a preamble. What is the preamble, children? On the preamble there is a resolution written on the preamble. Everyone has to read it out. Let me show you the preamble of real constitution. This is the preamble where we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved so and so forth, everything has written on this preamble. You can just go through this preamble, write down this preamble in your notebook. This is for everyone. Just write down this preamble in your notebook, open your textbook, there it has been given. From there only you can copy it and write in your notebook, and each and every student should learn preamble, so that whenever they are required you can speak it or you can read it. Next we will be discussing the points, different points which are there in the preamble. For example, the first one is justice, second is liberty, then equality, fraternity, and many more points to be discussed. Let us take justice first. Justice means what? The Indian Constitution strives to ensure an equitable and just society by reducing economic and social inequalities. Means if you are poor or you are rich, it doesn't matter. The justice will be made upon you as poor or rich. The justice will be equivalent. If you have done some crime, you will be punished. Either you are poor or rich, it doesn't matter at all. So this was the justice under Indian Constitution. What is liberty? Liberty is the Constitution gives the citizens the freedom to express their opinion. If you are a citizen of India, you will be given some liberty to express your opinion and follow your own path, and also choose the occupation of your choice. You are free to follow your own path, desires, dreams, goals, and you can follow your own path. This is the free liberty given by Indian Constitution, and nobody can stop you. If anyone is stopping you, he or she will be punished. Equality, yes, equality is there among everyone. As a student, you join the classroom, and we teachers see equal, all the students equal we see, no discrimination is made among you. So this is the equality. Fraternity means what? Fraternity is the brotherhoodness. India is a land of contrast and diversities, and home to it is a cultural place, traditional and languages, so many languages we speak. To preserve the unity and oneness, of India, it is necessary to develop a sense of fraternity or brotherhood. As I told you earlier, that fraternity is very much equivalent to brotherhood. So this is very important as far as this Constitution is concerned, that you should understand about justice, liberty, equality एंड फ्रैटर्निटी. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू इन हिंदी एज वेल. अगर हम जस्टिस की बात करें तो जस्टिस सबके साथ एक तरह का होना चाहिए, किसी के साथ भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए, चाहे वो अमीर हो या गरीब हो. अगर हम लिबर्टी की बात करें, सबको आज़ादी मिलनी चाहिए. इक्वालिटी की बात करें, सबको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए, बराबरी का हक मिलना चाहिए. और फ्रेटर्निटी मीन्स भाईचारा होना चाहिए. सो इन दिस वीडियो इट इज़ इनफ. वॉच इट एज मैनी टाइम एज यू कैन. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल बी मेकिंग मोर. थैंक यू.